Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video on your way out. Today I'm testing a new brow powder today. This is from Jordana. It's their Brow Powder Duo. I've never actually used a product from Jordana, but I've heard a lot of good things. And this color is in number 04 Black. Now, I haven't opened it yet or anything, so I'm opening it now. It comes with two separate colors. A brown shade and then a black shade. Now, one thing that I always say when you have dark hair, which I just recently colored my hair a lot darker, is black is really not going to be the best if you have dark hair. You really want like a dark brown. However, when you're using brow powders are the most subtle way of filling in your brows, so it's not going to be super intense, or at least it shouldn't be super intense with the powder. When you start to get into the pomades and the pencils, that's when you really just want to do like dark brown or something like that, or an ash brown. You don't want something to be black, like exactly black. But I wanted to try this out, and I'm glad that they have the two shades, because I actually probably won't go directly into this 100% of the time. I'll probably dab into both of these to make a happy mixture so it can match my hair. So I'm going to use the little brush that it comes with, and we're just going to see the pigmentation. We're going to see the quality of this brow product. We're going to see the lasting power and just kind of go from there. So I'm going into both, and I'm kind of like using this brush. I can tell before I use it is that these strokes are going to be really like thick. It's gonna be way too thick for me. So unfortunately, I'm not gonna use the brush. I'm even looking at it, it's really dense. When you look at straight at it, it's really thick. I like a thinner type of, personally, a thinner one for my brows, just so I can be a little bit more precise. If you have thicker brows and you just really need to fill in and not really need to create detail work, that should be fine for you, but for me it's not gonna work. So I'm gonna actually take my Superhero, this is the dual-ended brush from It Cosmetics. It has a liner brush, which is really thin, and then it has like this flexible type of lid where you get 3 different brushes in one. Actually, I have a review on this. If it's up yet, I'll link it down below. And go into both shades, kind of just tapping lightly into both and tapping off the excess. And we're going to go into my brow. I'm using short strokes when I fill in my brows. You don't want to try to just draw lines. You want to just do smaller type of strokes. Now I'm going just into the brown color and just doing the brown towards the start of my brow. Okay, so there's one brow to the other. I think it did really well for what I was looking for. Like I said, black can usually be really intense, but this is exactly what you're looking for if you have dark hair and you want to have more impact on your brows. Alright, so that's how my brows look with the brow powder. And I still haven't finished the rest of my eye makeup, so I'm going to do that really quick. Hi guys, it's the end of the night, and I'm going to take off my glasses because you'll get a reflection. Don't mind my lips. These are like stained from, look, there's nothing. They're stained from a lip swatch video I did earlier from Color Pop. If that video is up, I'll link it down below. And like nothing's... I tried to like scrub it off and it just left like... left some stain. But anyways, not the point. I wanted to check in with you guys and show you my brows from Jordana. How they're looking. It's It's about 8 o'clock. I think I put the product on at about, when did I put it on? 10? 9 or 10 this morning. And I've kind of like been touching my face. But brows are doing pretty good. I was even touching it earlier and that's what prompted me to come check in. It's not rubbing off, so that's good. Usually with powder and then it mixes with like my oils at the end of the day and like there's like a smear or there's like weirdness, but it's actually lasted okay. I see a little bit of smearing right here. Okay. But pretty much held up pretty well. So I actually think this is a pretty good brow powder if you guys need a affordable brow powder from Jordana. I got this at Kmart. I had never tried any of the other products from them, but pick it up, try it out if you want a new brow product. And thank you guys so much for watching my video, of course, and have a lovely night. We'll see you in my next video.